For the block, boy. Take it rough. Every day has been the same old thing on my block. You either working or you're slinging cocaine on my block. You had to hustle, 'cause that's how we was raised on my block. And you stayed on your hop until you made you a knot on my block. To hang out was the thing back then. And even when you left out, you came back in to my block from Holloway, Belford to Scott, Reed Road to Fox. We know the spots, so we the rocks. Drink all the blue dots on your block. You probably bred a fat pat Tupac, a big pun, a B.I. Your homeboys from knee-high, and even when it was storming outside, that nigga be-by. That's me, dog, on my block. I ain't had to play the big shot. Niggas knew me back when I was stealing beer from Shamrock, and my nickname was Creepy. If Black Jew could see me, he'd be tripping. And I bet he still try to tease me. My block, where everything is everything for Jeezy. My block, we probably done it all, homie, believe me. My block, we made the impossible look easy for Sheezy. I'll never leave my block, my niggas need me. My block, we ducking nigga haters and the cops. Fuck a I rock, we racing Paula's chrome dot. On my block, it ain't no different than the next block. You get drunk and pass out and they back into the hot. And when you wake up on the got, you going right back at it. On my block, when you're that fucked up, they laugh at it. On my block, it's just another day in the heart of the south side of Houston, Texas, making your mark. On my block, with you and all the time playing dominoes. Keep the swishing sweet down till my mama goes back inside. Then we can fly, pass it around a few times and get high. My block, where everything is everything for Sheezy. My block, probably done it all, homie, believe me. My block, we made the impossible look easy. My block, I'll never leave my block, my niggas need me. My block, where everything is everything for Sheezy. My block, we probably done it all, homie, believe me. My block, we made the impossible look easy for Sheezy. I'll never leave my block, my niggas need me. My block, everybody business ain't your business. What's going on in this house? Staying here, comprende? My block, you had to have that understanding. Cause if you told Miss Maddie, she went and told Gladys. And when Punchy Mama got it, it was all on the wire. And when the word got back, they set your ass on fire. On my block, we got some non-vet shell shock. We never quite got right. Now they in hell rocks. On my block, it's like the world don't exist. We stay confined to this small little section we living in. On my block, I wouldn't trade it for the world. Cause I love these ghetto boys and girls born and raised on my block. Block, where everything is everything for Sheezy. My block, probably done it all, homie, believe me. My block.
I woke up this morning with the sun down, shining in. I found my mind in a brown paper bag within. I tripped on a cloud and fell 8 miles high. I tore my mind on a jagged sky. I just dropped in to see what condition my condition was in.
Yeah, yeah, oh yeah, what condition my condition was in.
I pushed my soul in a deep dark hole and then I followed it in. I watched myself crawling out as I was crawling in. I got up so tight I couldn't unwind. I saw so much, I broke my mind. I just dropped in to see what condition my condition was in. my foot on the gas as I left the road and blew out my mind. 8 miles out of Memphis and I got no square here. 8 miles straight up downtown somewhere. I just dropped in to see what condition my condition was in. I said I just dropped in to see what condition my condition was in.
Well, did you bring me my money? My cab fare, my new shoes. I got expenses, you know. Where's my weekly due? Bringing them up, you know. Oh yeah, motherfucker, what's this he bottle for? You go when I say I come, you come. You know it takes a strong man to survive. It ain't no accident that you're still alive. We stand for the neighborhood. He still lives with his mommy, but he sneaks down a coolie in the shadow of the playground. You wanna fight for your people, don't you, Sal? Well, you got to. Come here. I wanna show you something. This is the cave of the vampires, Count Dracula's castle. The very sight could turn a white man gray. Made in the shade, use my umbrella. Black like the night we fly in. That blade is all you need to keep the dogs away. So you wanna be a vampire, man? That's good. We always looking for young blood in the neighborhood, man. Carlos Apache collects the dues, so bring us something that we can use. If you got the balls, then come on, mete mano. If you got the balls, then come on, mete mano. Frenchy Cordero goes down to Hill's kitchen to sell the Irish some weed. So this Patty boy's mother's on the stoop, starts bitching about Spexes and Mongo breed. Now here comes her son, he looks like a ton of corned beef floating in beer. He said, fucking Puerto Rican dog, dealing punk. Get your shit round ass out of here. Fucking Puerto Rican dog, dealing punk. Get your shit round ass out of here. So the Shantytown Irish kicked his ass good, fractured his collarbone. Cornel, all I was thinking is, what home in the grave? It's a fucking war zone. If you got the balls, then come on, mete manos. If you got cojones, come on, mete manos. If you got the balls, then come on, mete manos. If you got cojones, come
What's up with all the fine ass honey?
I'm on fire for her.
whatever became of me. I'm living on the air in Cincinnati, Cincinnati, WKRP. Got kinda tired of packing and unpacking, town to town, up and down the dial. Maybe you and me were never meant to be, just maybe think of me once in a while. Heading up that highway, leaving you behind. Hardest thing I ever had to do. Broke my heart in two, but baby, pay no mind. The price for finding me was losing you. Memories help me hide my lonesome feeling, far away from you and feeling. It's getting late, my friend, my love, I miss you so. Take good care of you, I've gotta go. If you've ever wondered whatever became of me, I'm living on the air in Cincinnati, Cincinnati, WKRP. Got kinda tired of packing and unpacking, town to town, up and down the dial. Maybe you and me were never meant to be, just maybe think of me once in a while. I'm at WKRP in Cincinnati.
Finally, the sun went down in the hood, and I was but dice game and fat sacks at end out service with high times to make. Rainy day blew me away, so I drank the flow every day. Matter of fact, it was a murder present. 186.6, that was riding with 187.
40 ounces and chronic guns.
Yeah, I stay high,
On
motherfucker.
my briefcase is some crumbled weed. Buckshot shells from a dead body. Got a whole bunch of 40s and a couple of hoes. A 95-50 sitting on shoes and bows. Plus I had a 9 in my glove compartment, cause everywhere I go niggas love to start shit. 5-pound chronic dice in my mix, 15 Teflons in my clip. Heard about a lot of sick shit in the block, so I stay low to the brain and remain incognito with my 20 sack of the bomb. Money back guaranteed if you hit that shit and don't wanna kill your mom. Got the clip, Glock, Chevy Impala, the dump, stop the Glock. No, you can't stop the doc from the gangbang, nigga. So up goes your trigger, staying high off the sesame and my nigga set.
Finally, the sun went down in the hood, and I was but dice game and fat sacks at end out service with high times to make. Rainy day blew me away, so I drank the fuck every day. Matter of fact, it was a murder present. 186.2, that was riding with 187.
40 ounces and chronic guns.
Stay high, I stay high, motherfucker.
Ripping off your boat, heading down your cheeks. You end up in that shit cause I dropped 7 by your feet and y'all broke. My pockets on overload all day. Cause that east side slangs them in effective ways. An amazing thing. It's the gangbang. I come up off a rap game, post some more breaking down. Then hits the stain where my hopes and eyes is. Twist off a cap where my liquid suicide is. While spitting from that wicked eye I'm looking through. We get sick of the monster side that's riding on me. He coming at me wrong, damn. We between the sheets. Is suicide on your mind? Must I leave you on these streets? Ways to balk me, but really realize the strength. Had him read the E in the serial number on this son. Keep the slug, took the reaper, let the devil meet the meat mug in the center of the street and the reaper there.
Finally, the sun went down in the hood, and I was but dice game and end out surface with high times and make rainy days blew me away. So I drink the boat every day. Matter of fact, it was a murder present. 186.0, that was riding with 187.
Ounces and table dust.
Stay high, I stay high, motherfucker.
Yeah. A special shot goes out to all the players on the south side. Scoring black thing, nigga. Stay ripping, you know what I'm saying? And everything.
This is the type of shit you find in the natty.
Seasons don't feel the reaper, nor do the wind, the sun, or the rain. We can be like they are. Come on, baby, don't feel the reaper. Baby, take my hand, don't feel the reaper. You'll be able to fly, don't feel the reaper. Baby, I'm your man.
fireman's blind, the conductor's lame. A Cincinnati jacket and a sad look dame, hanging out the window with a bottle full